I didn't think embroidery was cool until I started it at college, and then I realised it's another way of mark making. Yeah. And you can undo a stitch if you make a mistake. I feel like there's so many reasons that I embroider. The more I learn about feminism, the more I realise that embroidery's kind of been left out of the art world and it's not really been respected as much as other mediums. Social media has been amazing for kind of changing people's interpretations of what embroidery is, because for me, I love grime music, so when I'm at a rave and people come up to me and say that they love my embroidery, it's just a total contrast to sitting in my bedroom and working on it.
I'm particularly interested in the way embroidery has been used as a therapy over the years. I got into embroidery when I was recovering from a period of serious mental illness, and it was about the only thing I could do. Currently I'm working on an embroidered graphic novel about the history of embroidery as a therapeutic practice. For me, spiders represent repairing the shattered psyche, and how embroidery essentially saved my life and was a way of me stitching myself back together again.
Love that, that's so beautiful. I guess a lot of my early work was a lot about my feelings to do with mental health, being mixed race, bisexual, like a lot of different intersections of identity. I think that's where I really started my work from. So this piece was under the theme death, and I wanted to represent the constant cycle of positive and negative thoughts that you can experience if you suffer with some kind of mental health issues. And so it's just black and white stitching, and it's in my handwriting, which I really like and I think is really personal.
I tie bows with the rain. I sign love notes with your kiss.
What do you think the future of the art world looks like?
Something I'd really like to see happen is people with disabilities coming into gallery spaces more. Until there's no disability arts and fine art or high art, it's just the same.
In the gallery spaces, I think it's diversity and inclusivity on the surface level, but not actually, in positions that really make a difference.